Hello friends, welcome to Probiotics Group. I am Miss Kirti, training at Probiotics and discussing about the topic of sensors. Here are the many types of sensors as defined. That is moisture sensors. One is moisture sensor and this one is proximity sensors and this one is ultrasonic sensors. Now I have to discuss the introduction of sensor. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The specific input could be light, heat, motion, moisture, pressure, or any one of a great number of other environmental phenomena. The output is generally a signal that is converted to human readable display. At the sensor's location are transmitted electronically over a network for reading or further processing. Now I have to discuss how sensors work. Here are the diagram given. This is a sensor that this is one south pole and here one north pole. Material placed between north pole and south pole. When the material is charged with a battery, forms positive and negative charge developed of a potential as the electronic. Potential indicates strength of magnetic field. Classification of sensors. Here are some classifications are given. The acceleration sensors and vibration sensors, acoustic or ultrasonic sensors. Acoustic is a sound which detects sound that is a primary sensor element. Ultrasonic is sensors vibrate as a primary sensor element. Chemical or gas sensors, electric or magnetic sensors, flow sensors. Flow sensors, it is a liquid flows in a pipe. We need to flow this charge in a pipe, that it causes the flow sensor. Force or load or torque or strain sensors, humidity sensors, moisture sensors, leak sensors, level sensors, machine vision sensors, optical sensors, motion or velocity or displacement sensors, position sensors, presence sensors, proximity sensors, pressure sensors, temperature sensors. Here are the sub classification we have to discuss. That is temperature, thermistors, thermocouples, RTD, IC and many more. Pressure is to fiber optic, vacuum, elastic, liquid based manometers, LVDT, electronics. LVDT is a linear variable differential transducer. Level sensors, differential pressure, ultrasonic radio frequency, radar, thermal displacement, etc. Acceleration, gyroscope, accelerometer. Classification based on application is as given below. Industrial process control, measurement and automation. Non-industrial use, aircraft, medical products, automobiles, consumer electronic, other types of sensors. Here I have to discuss the IR sensor. IR sensor is a infrared sensor. These sensors can be used for most indoor application where no important ambient light is present. These sensors generally provide ambient light immunity. That it is effect when there is a application of ambient light. These sensors can be used to measure the speed of object moving at a very high speed, like in industry or in technometers. In such application, ambient light ignoring sensors which rely on sending 40 kHz pulse signals cannot be used because there are time gaps between the pulses where the sensors is blind. The solution proposed doesn't contain any special components like photodiodes, phototransistors or IR receivers ICs. Only a couple if IR leads and op-amp means operational amplifier, a transistor and a couple of resistors. In lead, as the title says, a standard IR lead is used for the purpose of detection. Here I have to discuss the topic of accelerometer. Here I have discussed the topic of accelerometer. Common SI unit meters per second square are properly in terms of G-force. Common SI unit of accelerometer is meter per second square. At rest in acceleration with measure 1g in the vertical direction. They can come in 1 or 2 or 3 axis configuration. With 3 axes, it gives a vector of the acceleration direction. Because of earth gravity, the sensors will rate 1 to 0 g as the sensor is rotated from being vertical to horizontal. Each sensor has a range that it works in specific condition. Most have analog output that need amplification. Accelerometer diagram I will explain. That here is a one that which when it is moves up, it is in a clockwise direction. When it is moves up, it is in a clockwise direction, and when it is moves down, it moves in a anti-clockwise direction, and when it is moves side, then it is a clockwise direction. Here I will explain the application of accelerometer. Application of accelerometer, that is self-balancing robot, tilt mode game controller, model airplane autopilot, alarm system, conclusion detection, human motion monitoring, level sensor inclinometer, vibration detection for vibration isolators, and G-force detection. This acceleration are widely used on robotics, controlling 4-channel robots, that is controlling wireless, having ultrasonic sensors mounted on it. Having ultrasonic sensors mounted on it. Now I have discussed about the introduction of transducer. A transducer is a device that converts one form of energy to another form of energy. Energy types include electrical, mechanical, electromagnetic, chemical, acoustic, and thermal energy. Now I have explained the transducer used. Here are the quantity being measured. So many quantities are there, like light level, light level. So many quantities are there, like light level, temperature, force or measure, force or pressure, position, speed, sound. Here are the input devices sensors, and here are the output devices actuator. when the sensors is in primary sensors. Classification of sensors. Here I have discussed the classification of sensors. On the basis of transition from used has primary and secondary transducer, as passive and active transducer, as analog and digital transducer, as transducer and inverse transducer. On the basis of transition from use, resistive transducer, capacitive transducer, inductive transducer, voltage and current generating transducer. And discussing about the selection criteria. Operating principle, sensitivity, operating range, accuracy, environmental capability, insensitive to unwanted signal, stability. Now discuss about the electric transducer. An electric transducer is a device that converts one form of energy to another energy. Types include electrical, mechanical, electromagnetic, chemical, acoustic or thermal energy. Electric transducer, a device which converts any kind of energy into electrical energy, whether it is analog or digital. Now I discuss about the electromagnetic transducer. In electromagnetic transduction, the message is converted to voltage induced in conductor by change in the magnetic flux in absence of excitation. Electromagnetic transducer are self-generating active transducer. The motion between a pulse of magnet and an electromagnet is responsible for the change in flux. Now discuss about the advantages of transducer. Power requirement is very low for controlling the electrical or electronic system. Output can be indicated and recorded remotely from the sensing element. Electrical amplification can be easily done. An amplification may be used to amplify the electrical signal according to requirement. Disadvantages. Now I explain the disadvantages. RTD produce mechanical vibration. The cost is high. Thermistors are unsuitable for wide temperature. Relatively large displacement is required for appreciable output for LVDT. Burdle tubes do not provide the precise measurement. Application of transducer. Audio or video equipments, pressure indication, measurement of displacement, alarms. Now discuss about the conclusion. Transducers are used to convert one form of energy to another. All the transducers are very useful in all the applications such as microphone, speaker, etc. Thank you.